Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening settings and tapping focus so you control interruptions immediately. Choose an existing focus or tap the plus to make a new one. Name it so it's recognizable. Next, allow specific people and apps. This creates safe exceptions so urgent contacts still reach you. Once done, set whether time-sensitive notifications are allowed. Make these first decisions deliberately because they shape how the iPad filters alerts all day. Now customize behavior. Use schedule to run focus at times, location triggers for when you arrive somewhere, or app-based triggers for specific usage. Adjust home screen pages to hide distracting apps and set a minimal lock screen to reduce visual noise. Turn on focus status so apps can show others your silencing notifications. Finally, enable smart activation to let iPad learn your routine and apply the focus automatically when it predicts you. To finish, test your new focus. Ask a contact to message or use a blocked app to confirm behavior. If something isn't right, review allowed people, apps, home screen setups, and your automations to find the mismatch. Make sure focus status is set as you expect. If notifications still bypass or the focus won't engage, toggle the focus off and on, then restart the iPad. That often clears sync hiccups between devices and resolves stubborn automation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.